I got an update with this Sport Cub S2 hobbyzone. It seems this is brand new. I only had it for maybe a week, if that much. And the motor blew. It has absolutely no resistance. Looks like the magnets are gone. I don't know what the hell happened to it. So what I had to do is cut this all off, nice and neat, so you can't really see the line, where I cut it. And I had to remove the motor. I plugged it in today and it wouldn't even spin. It spun just like that, this motor. No resistance whatsoever. Look at that. And I ordered the motor today, so it should be here Friday. And I'll install it and we'll give it a flight and see how she does. But I can't believe that. Less than a week and the motor's gone already. The heck kind of motor is that? Piece of crap, that's what it is. I was thinking about making it a 2S now, of course, of that. A brushless. I was thinking about putting a brushless motor in, a 1S brushless motor. Change the board and everything. But we'll see if the new motor blows as fast as this. I'm going to convert this into a 2S, or 1S or 2S, either one. We'll see which motor fits better. Alright, have a nice day. I'll let you know what's going on. But what a waste of money. $13 for that little tiny motor. That's insane. Okay, have a good day. I'll be back with the update on Friday and the flight. Have a good one.